Adding Sam's Club to Apple Wallet is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. First, do add your Sam's Club card to your Apple Wallet. Open up your Sam's app. Now, navigate your account. From your account page, you can click on Add to Apple Wallet. Here, this will add Sam's Club directly to your Apple Wallet. You will receive a confirmation that the card has been added to your Apple Wallet. To access your Sam's Club membership card, open the Apple Wallet app and select the card you've added. When you visit Sam's Club, show the digital card from your Apple Wallet to associate at the entrance or at the checkout counter when asked for your membership card. If this feature is not currently available in your area, you can still use your Sam's Club membership card through the Sam's Club app or the physical membership card provided by the Sam's Club. If you have specific questions or need assistance with your Sam's Club membership, consider contacting Sam's Club customer support for guidance.